So, what we're gonna do today is, I'm about to go out. I didn't drop my bike. Okay, we're gonna pick this bike up first. My mom got the Debo bike. So what we're gonna do is move the CLK in front of the house. Oh man, I'm standing in the shade. I get used to this heat first. Then I got a bunch of oils that I ordered. And I'm about to show you this ridiculousness. Like Rob Deerdeck. Watch this. Let me show you. Let me show you this shit, man. Look at this. 9 bottles. 9 bottles. Not one in the quart. One big bottle. That don't make no sense. That's how I need it. One big bottle. Royal Purple, that's ridiculous. You need to make one big bottle of 0W40 for me. Every 3,000 miles. Because that was too much. And, yeah. So I'm going to move the CLK 430 in the front. And then, change the oil on this thing, man. See that? Service B. I'm going, back. I don't want this thing to get too hot. Of course, I know it's warm because it's just sitting in the sun. But yeah, been saying Service B. Drove this thing all the way to LA. Shit, not too long ago. It performed well. And yeah. I ain't really been doing much. I did change the filter on this thing. So those of you who got me on Instagram, I changed the filters. I changed the filter here, happened to do that, and I just didn't finish up the oil change. So I thought to myself, like, I might as well record it. Then we got an issue here. Don't really know what's going on or why it's doing that. I don't know if it's the gasket itself or if this is somehow warped, or you know what I'm saying, or it's just unfixable. So we're gonna find that out later on. Not today, but later on. Meanwhile, like I said, I'm gonna get this thing jacked up, change the oil, and test out the Royal Purple in the Benz. I may have scooped a few parts. So, use the 8mm socket to get the scraper thing off. And from there, loosen up the bolt on the passenger side. Slide that underneath. And let's see how dirty this oil might be. I feel like I'm missing something. I don't know if it's gonna immediately pour out, or do I have to? Oh! Ew, look at it. Look at that, bro. Look at that. Oh, yeah. It's all on my hands. That shit is draining. It's dark though. Let me go up top. Now, to loosen that bolt, you want to use a, what is this? 1.5. 1.5. I just take the top off so that it drain better. Probably still dripping. Let me check. light drip. We really out here, man. We really out here. High five, man. High five. Give me a high five. Yeah, man. High five. We gotta get something to eat, man. Something to eat. You hurt? I was smashing your hand. Something to eat, man. Yeah, man. You watching yourself? Big brother time. So today, got my little brother out here where I'm changing oil. Yeah, and I got the expensive brand, the Royal Purple. Had bought 9 fucking quarts. 9 quarts. I ain't mad though. Just tell them boys down there at Royal Purple, they need to make bigger cases of 0W40. If they do make them, why is it so hard to source this? Maybe I should have went on RoyalPurple.com instead of ordering them through my job. Psych! Look, but now your boy is O'Reilly's employee, so I get a discount on parts. So you might see a lot more vlogs on just whatever, because now I got more access to cheaper parts or parts that was more expensive before. Now I can get them for a cheaper price. So yeah, and then that's pretty much it. I think I'm just gonna change the oil today. I might head over to the picking pool. I never head over to the picking pool no more, so I might head over to the picking pool, see what they got going on over there. See if I possibly could pick up any parts for any of my cars. Seeing that I don't have nothing to do, and today is my day off. Ain't it right, Nick? But you ain't hearing me though. But you ain't. Stop trying to take my beanie off, man. I need this. Ah! Stop. Let that shit go. I need this to keep my hair from getting dirty, man. I get all under the car. I be done picked up rocks, dirt, whatever. So that's what I need, man. That's what I need, man. Give me a high five. High five. High five. High five. Crazy, man. I think it's done now. So yeah, yesterday started raining, unfortunately. I did button up everything. So changed the oil, put 8.5 because the capacity for this car is 8.5 quarts. So I did that. I put the 8.5 quarts in there, and that was that. I had already changed the filter a long time ago, and I changed the other filter too. So now I'm waiting on my tires because I ordered 2 fronts. I gotta figure out what rears I'm gonna go with. I haven't yet figured it out, but can I get my fronts first? Taking a little bit longer than expected. So yeah. Once I do that, be in the game, man. Get a little bit grippier. And I definitely need my tires because it started to rain yesterday. And it wasn't like I was losing traction, but I don't want that to be the thing to where it's like I'm driving and now I'm losing traction, and I was never losing traction when it was dry, so I'm just hoping I don't. But I'm just glad now I have no check engine lights, and then like, well, not a check engine light, because the check engine light is separate from the service light. Service light is totally separate function. So the service B light is gone. Service B is basically like need to tune it. And that was the two wrenches that I had on there, so you just gotta service it. So I serviced it, and now no more Service B. Now that it's fixed, I definitely like the way my car run and stuff now. I just drove to the gas station, came back. Oh, and another thing, my battery had died yesterday, so I don't know if it was because of the rain or what was going on, because the rain was coming or something like that, and my battery died. I had to get a new battery. And I don't think my old battery was bad. I just think it's a piece of shit battery. Probably was expensive, but it's just old. So I went and got a new battery for my job on my discount. So now if I had that same issue, I could just warranty it out. And won't have that problem. But yeah. Also went and hung with my kid yesterday, so that was fun. And I got to hang with her. We went out to eat. And now I see what people are talking about when I be talking about I was bad. Because I could see me and my kid, and she do things that I would do, and it's like a funny. Like, it doesn't annoy me, but yeah, having a kid is something special. Yeah, so that's basically it. I no longer have that, but I want to do a video where I drive and I show you guys the shifting, because the way that it shifts, you have it has a manual option, so you can shift, and I think you have 1 through 4 or 1 through 5. I think it's a 5-speed gearbox. It's about five speeds or whatever. I don't think you need the last one, the 4th one, but I mean the 5th, if there is a 5th, because I never had to go in the 5th. But 1 through 4 is cool. I'm gonna show you guys how it sounds, and then I don't know. I don't really too much like talking about this car because I really haven't did anything to make it faster that I know of. I don't know. Maybe the intake made it a little bit quicker. You never know. I might picked up like 2.3 horses. That's like a funny, but I don't know. That's all I did so far. Just the oil change, filters, got the Service B light off. What else did I do? I do gotta replace the weather stripping when I ride down the street. Weather stripping that was in between here. Now that it's raining, I have to replace that. It's just trash. So I think I'll just try to find it at my job. They have the weather stripping, and I'll take the excess from what had already been ripped off and put that. So look out for a video for that. I'll show you guys how to replace that. And then what else will I be doing? I think that's it. Other than the tires and just having this, and for right now, that's all I got planned for this car. But the Fox, yeah, that's a whole nother story. I'm trying to get off the video. But the Fox is down right now. The Fox is really down. For real. The Fox is down, and I'm gonna give you a video about the Fox as soon as I get started on fixing that thing. But the Fox is down. Not an engine trouble, really, but the Fox is down. Like, it's not even, shouldn't even drive that thing. But I'm gonna fix that too. So stay tuned. I'll be back.